Hello dear students, welcome back to PNMRC High School e-learning classes. I'm Shalini Mishra, your OC teacher. Today we are going to start chapter 2 and the title of the chapter is Business Services Part 1. First of all, we'll take introductory part of the chapter. Every country is growing economically year after year. Due to growth and development, there is expansion and rise in the services like banking, insurance, postal, storage and transportation, etc. These services are not only for the support of trade and commerce activities, but they are also extend and increase the growth of industries, agriculture and other business activities like business services like banking, insurance, postal, storage, and transportation are not only facilitating business and commerce, but they are associated with the social and family welfare activities. These activities are interdependent. For example, if transportation facility will increase, more customers will approach for the banking and postal services too. Now we will study what is insurance. Insurance is a practice or arrangement by which company or government agency provides a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, illness or death in return for a payment of a premium. In some sense, it's a thing providing protection against a possible eventuality. We can also say that insurance is a contract in which an individual or an entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from company, in which the insurer or the person who will take the insurance will pay premium. As insurance plays very vital role in our life, let's study about the importance of insurance. We can say that insurance provides us protection against uncertain future events and accident. Insurance also provide help us when we face risk by cooperating with that event or risk. Insurance is also helpful in expansion of international trade by marine insurance like activities. Insurance also provides us a vision how to form our capital investment more safe and strong. When we feel that there is no support with us, insurance provides us financial support too. If we have medical insurance, this will provide medical support. If anybody wants to start his career in insurance, it is a There are many benefits and protective covering in and around us that an insurance company provides us to their customers for the unseen risk of the future. Thank you.